Hello, my name is John Logan. I'm a public health doctor with NHS Lanarkshire, and for many years I have been the lead for bloodborne viruses within the public health department at NHS Lanarkshire. Bloodborne viruses covers hepatitis B and hepatitis C and HIV. In 2017, in collaboration with Waverley Care, NHS Lanarkshire introduced the Chinese project to Lanarkshire, partly to try to help to address some of the health and healthcare needs of the Chinese community in Lanarkshire in general, and in particular to raise awareness of hepatitis B and to highlight the availability of testing and, where appropriate, treatment available for hepatitis B as well.
就係咁樣，華人健康計劃從2017年年底由 Lanarkshire 開始，慢慢發展去到 Glasgow， 甚至連 Ayrshire 嗰邊嘅相關部門亦都邀請我哋去幫忙，聯絡佢哋當地嘅華人，推廣乙型肝炎同埋有關嘅測試。我哋接觸本地嘅華人，亦都同主流嘅服務華人社區嘅機構或者團體嚟到合作，不知不覺之間，我哋就成為咗本地華人同佢哋之間嘅橋梁。以下我哋有2位華人社區嘅合作伙伴，同我哋分享佢哋對呢個伙伴關係嗰個嘅睇法。
大家好，我係楊太，我係聯立郡華人協會同埋聯立郡少數民族行動組嘅領袖。我認為維護你華人健康計劃喺過去嘅7年，喺 NHS 領袖同埋鄭姑娘嘅帶領底下，已經達到成功地向聯立郡華人社群介紹咗乙型肝炎嘅知識，並且喺某啲華人當中進行咗測試。華人健康計劃並且喺華人所關注嘅一啲病患進行咗討論，同埋加深大家對呢啲病患嘅認識。我同華人健康計劃合作有非常正面嘅經驗，我覺得鄭姑娘盡力揾機會去使華人嘅社群係嚟到參與呢個計劃，即使係喺疫情關閉嘅日子，鄭姑娘亦都係能夠利用社交媒體同埋戶外活動去聯絡華人社群，一群義工通力合作，有創意同埋十分願意幫助人。
我叫程琳，是格拉斯哥大学的 PhD 研究生。与 Waverley Care 的华人健康项目的合作是一次非常宝贵的经历。在这一合作中，项目工作人员班尼发挥了至关重要的作用。他作为研究人员、医疗服务提供者和华人社区之间的桥梁。班尼对文化敏感性的深刻理解，本地社区网络的熟悉度，以及对社区需求的精准把握，为建立信任、促进参与度，以确保癌症健康宣传的相关性和影响力提供了重要的支持。这一合作让我深入了解了苏格兰华人群体在癌症认知、预防和医疗服务获取方面所面临的独特的挑战。班尼及其志工团队的努力至关重要。他们不仅弥合了文化和语言障碍，还在社区中建立了信任，确保健康信息的可及性和相关性。这次合作进一步让我认识到社区主导健康项目在减少健康不平等和促进医疗保健中的关键作用。展望未来，我希望能继续与 Waverley Care 合作，进一步發展符合文化需求的癌症支持和健康教育項目。
華人健康計劃嘅工作啦，最主要咧就係當然係喺華人社區當中咧係推廣乙型肝炎，咁並且係提供測試啦、有關嘅跟進啦，同埋一啲嘅支援服務嘅。咁等接觸到我哋嘅華人啦，都係有機會啦，係知道自己乙型肝炎嘅情況，咁從而咧係得到有效嘅診斷同埋治療。
我哋仲組織咗一支義工隊伍，一齊推廣乙型肝炎，舉辦活動，提供健康講座，拍攝宣傳影片等等。透過呢啲嘅工作，我哋接觸到數以千計嘅華人，呢啲成果都係工作人員同埋一班義工們嘅功勞。過去7年斷斷續續，我哋總共有28位嘅義工參與過呢個計劃。至到今日，我哋仲有10幾位活躍嘅義工。 不如我哋聽下佢哋點講。
接觸華人健康計劃之前，我對乙型肝炎嘅知識一啲都唔知，又唔識得。但係喺接觸個整個過程裏邊，我學到咗好多有關嘅知識，仲做埋咗乙型肝炎嘅測試添。
起初拎住啲宣傳單張，逐家逐戶咁樣去探訪本地嘅華人食肆，好多店主都俾我哋嘅真誠所感動。
辛苦疫情期間，我哋唔能夠見面，不過大家唔會因為咁樣而偷懶，反而努力學習使用網上平台進行會議、商討方案，又喺屋企自己拍短片，再傳俾工作人員做編輯。呢個過程大大減低我喺疫情期間呢份孤單感覺。
生活喺外地，過時過節能夠同聲同氣嘅人一齊製作應節食品，確實有解大家嘅思鄉情懷。加上能夠喺自己喜歡嘅烹飪上面發揮所長，幫到人共享成果之餘，睇到參加者開心，自己都覺得好開心、好滿足。
睇見健康講座嘅參加者滿有熱誠，佢哋積極咁樣發問，所以覺得自己付出嘅時間同埋精力都係冇白費嘅。
冇諗過義工都會變成演員，我哋每年都會拍攝一兩輯宣傳影片，推廣乙型肝炎。而令我印象最深刻嘅呢，就係拍攝嘅過程當中，大家攞住劇本專心咁嚟到去背台詞，嗰份認真嘅態度呢，真係實在值得學習同埋敬佩。
無論係大型宣傳活動，抑或小型網上學習小組，好似拉現對 UK 我都見到大家熱心參與、齊心合力、眾志成城，實在覺得好鼓舞。
好開心見到無論係講粵語，抑或係講國語嘅本地華人，年長抑或係年少，都受惠於我哋呢個華人健康計劃嘅工作。
大家對推廣乙型肝炎不遺餘力。之前大家對有冇患乙型肝炎都唔敢出聲嘅，但係當我哋去努力推廣，大家態度轉變咗。後來仲有人去公開分享自己患乙型肝炎嘅故事，呢種感覺真係唔識用，但係好特別。
一班原本素未謀面、互不相識嘅人，當中有舊嘅移民，又有新嘅移民，竟然因為一齊做義工，成為好朋友，真係意外嘅收穫。好懷念其中一位已經離開咗我哋嘅義工，佢慷慨咁開放佢屋企俾我哋。一邊 BBQ 一邊拍攝，真係好難忘。
Over the years, the Chinese project in Lanarkshire has achieved a huge amount, and this is partly because it has been led by Benny Chung, and there has been very good interaction with the Chinese community. There has been very good production of newsletters and meetings held at which people have been invited along at different things which you might call health fairs or gatherings where people would come along and learn about aspects of health improvement or how to engage with the healthcare system, or to hear from people about different challenges that they have had, either getting healthcare or just if people have questions about their situation or particular conditions. And one of the particular conditions that we have highlighted has been hepatitis B, partly because there is a higher prevalence of hepatitis B in the Chinese community, and also there's sometimes not a lot of knowledge and understanding of this infection and the impact that it can have on people, even though they may not have symptoms, or the symptoms might be very kind of background level. Sometimes it's important to come forward and have a test, and that's really the only way of knowing whether somebody happens to be carrying the infection or not. And if somebody is carrying the infection as well as having an impact on their own health, it can sometimes lead to them infecting somebody within their close social network and then have an impact on that person's health. So there is treatment which is available, and there's hepatitis B vaccination which is available as well. And the Chinese project has done very well to highlight these issues to people within the Chinese community across Lanarkshire, and to have that interactive way of trying to address the needs that people have.
華人健康計劃要結束啦， 但係大家唔使擔心，我哋負責 Langley 少數民族嘅工作人員阿 Nathan， 佢仍然可以繼續為大家提供乙型肝炎嘅測試同埋有關嘅支援服務。
My name is Nathan Mwesiga. I'm a health improvement coordinator with WeverCare. Much as Benny's project is coming to an end, it's merging into the wider ethnic minority work that I deliver across Lancashire. If you would have any support needs around bloodborne viruses, whether it's testing for Hep B or support through treatment and care, please contact me through our website, WeverCare, www.wevercare.org, or through the Chinese Association.
祝大家繼續健康快樂、幸福美滿，再見。